All right, guys. So today, let's learn how to use, or rather how to back up all of the chats, as well as the stickers on WhatsApp. Basically everything. Well, the most obvious way to do this is, of course, head on to WhatsApp and log in to the account. So once you have logged into your account, let's just do this very quickly okay, over here we have chat backup. Well, by default, when you have a new account, this should show up on your screen. You could choose to have a daily backup, weekly, monthly, or even turn it off. Let's choose daily for now, and let's head into the settings to edit that. So to do that, head on over to Settings, go on Gets, and then click on Chat Backup. All right, once we are here, we could actually click the Backup Now button, and basically it will back up all of the information that we have in this phone onto the cloud. Your iCloud, but actually using this method of backing up will actually have a lot of issues and bugs, like it won't actually back up your stickers or even your older first messages, which is such a bummer. Of course, if we actually need to use a new device, and we're going to use our old account for WhatsApp. So what's a workaround on that, you may ask? I'm going to tell you that in this tutorial. Okay, so let's add on to our home screen. Head on to Settings, and then head down iCloud option over here. Let's head on to actually just search it. iCloud. Okay, over here we have the iCloud account or rather the iCloud settings. And once you have clicked on the settings over here, you should be on this screen. Well, I need you to head on over to the WhatsApp app over here on down here, and you need to have this enabled. Well, this only means that whenever you move on to another device, it will automatically move all of your data. Not only it will fix the bugs, but it will be more complete, enjoying all of your past messages. You could see them once more in your new device using this method. So make sure this is checked, and let's not use this method anymore because this is very inefficient and very buggy. So okay, guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.